Hey everyone, welcome back. It's still October 7th, 2024, and we've got a quick update on what happened in the market during the last few hours of trading today. If you've already seen our earlier recap, you know it was a wild day, but some new events just before the closing bell stirred up even more action. Let's break it down. Just when we thought things were settling down, the market picked up steam in the final hour. The S&P 500, which had been riding high earlier, held onto its gains and finished the day up 1.3%, but the NASDAQ really surprised us with an even stronger close, up to 0.1%. Tech stocks seemed unstoppable, thanks in part to some big news from Silicon Valley this afternoon. The big headline that dropped late today: Microsoft MSFT announced a new strategic partnership with Google to further integrate AI capabilities into their cloud services. This sent shares of both companies up sharply in the last hour of trading. Microsoft ended the day up 6%, and Google added 4%. Traders jumped at the opportunity, seeing this partnership as a potential game changer in the cloud and AI space. This could be a trendsetter for the tech sector moving forward, as companies continue to invest heavily in AI. If you're holding tech stocks, you're probably feeling pretty good right now, but we'll have to watch how these developments play out over the next few months. Over in the energy sector, oil prices briefly touched $100 a barrel in the final stretch of the day after new reports of disruptions at key supply chains in the Middle East. ExxonMobil and Chevron both saw an additional boost, finishing the day with gains of 4% and 3.8% respectively. This is definitely something to keep an eye on for tomorrow. If oil continues its rally, we could see further gains in energy stocks, but it might also put more pressure on inflation-sensitive areas of the market. Looking ahead to tomorrow, October 8, 2024, all eyes will be on to major events. First, we've got the Consumer Price Index CPI coming out bright and early. This report is crucial for gauging inflation trends, and given how the market's been reacting to inflation data this year, any surprise could trigger major moves. Then, later in the day, we've got Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech. After today's bond market action and the surge in oil prices, traders are looking for any signs that the Fed may shift its stance on interest rates. If Powell hints at keeping rates higher for longer, we might see a pullback in some of these gains. One stock to watch tomorrow is Tesla TSLA. After surging today on stronger than expected sales numbers out of Europe, it's poised for even more action depending on tomorrow's inflation data. If CPI comes in lower than expected, we could see growth stocks like Tesla continue to climb. That wraps up our late day update for October 7, 2024. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for a breakdown of the CPI numbers and Jerome Powell's speech. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to stay updated on all the latest market action. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and let's get ready for tomorrow.